स्क्रिप्ट देख के लगा कि ओ माय गॉड ये तो मेरी स्टोरी है?
मुझे वही लगा कि हाँ ये तो बहुत ही रिलेटेबल है क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली में भी यही होता है।
जस्सी से बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड, व्हाट अ फन शो। आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा है?
मेरे लिए तो कांस्टेंट वो है, कांस्टेंट चेंज रहा है, which has been very challenging and very good and satisfying.
Tracking every post, likes, comments.
Tap. If it's a work post, I will chase it.
Yeah, even if I've posted, then I'll see the comments.
Yeah.
So tap.
Searching a person on social media before meeting them.
Before meeting them, no. Trash.
After meeting them, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's after actually.
Yeah.
In real life, आप कितना believe करते हैं astrology में?
I'm not a big believer. I don't know whether my belief is important. I don't consume myself wondering whether it's real or not.
पंकज कपूर सर के साथ आपने काम किया है, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था उनके साथ काम करने का?
He is one guy who will never forget a single dialogue also बीच का. So he keeps you on his toes, on your toes.
Yeah.
आप वो पंकज सर आ गए हैं. I better remember my dialogues and I better not mess up the scene. Hi, I'm Mona Singh.
Hi, I'm Kunal Roy Kapoor.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hungama. This is Mrinal and today we have Mona Singh and Kunal Roy Kapoor with us for the new show Thode Dur Thode Paas, and which is a digital detox,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
So before starting, I would like to ask you guys, how on the scale of 10, how addicted are you to your phones or social media?
5.
Okay.
If I'm being honest, about 7. 6, 7.
So is it
Decent-ish.
Yeah.
like, do you want to control it or is it fine for you guys?
I need to control it a little more.
Okay.
Yeah, there are days where I also need to control. I also go overboard scrolling, and then I realize, oh my god, I spent like non-stop
So
1
much
hour.
time,
Especially on the reels, they're so
Right.
entertaining.
Yeah.
And then half the time I'm forwarding it to all my family and friends. Look at this, look at that. But people are so funny.
Yeah.
They're creating such good content.
Yeah.
And it's relatable also for you.
Yeah. And the songs and yeah.
So जब आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट आई थी, स्क्रिप्ट देख के लगा कि ओ माय गॉड ये तो मेरी स्टोरी है. लाइक इवन आई एम अडिक्टेड टू द फोन, इवन पीपल अराउंड मी, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स आर अडिक्टेड टू द फोन एंड वी कांट लिव विदाउट गैजेट्स. तो क्या लगा था जब स्क्रिप्ट आई आपके पास?
मुझे वही लगा कि हाँ ये तो बहुत ही रिलेटेबल है क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली में भी यही होता है. हम सब अपने अपने रूम्स में बैठ के अपनी दुनिया में खोए हुए होते हैं बिकॉज द फोन इज सो हाइपर स्पेसिफिक टू हु यू आर एज अ पर्सन कि वो वही आपको भेजता रहेगा. इट विल कीप फीडिंग यू व्हाट यू लाइक टू ईट. तो so to get out of that and pull yourself out and reconnect sometimes becomes a challenge.
Yeah.
So that's what I first felt ki when I first read, when I interacted with them and we went through the story, I was like, wow, this is so relevant, so timely.
Right.
And yeah, it's a lovely little mirror to yourself. And the irony obviously is कि हम लोगों को बोल रहे हैं कि आइए हमारा शो देखिए टीवी पे या फोन पे, but it's about leaving your phone and your TV.
Right.
Yeah.
Same for me. I love the script. एक तो ऐसी scripts आजकल बनती नहीं है, होती नहीं है. OTT पे either it is all crime or it is all about drugs. So yeah, it is only that. So this is a refreshing change, and I like to be part of stories, which have something new to tell.
Right.
So as an actor and as a human being, I thought it's the perfect timing because यही problem है जो हर कोई face कर रहा है. So yes, I happily agree to be a part of थोड़े दूर थोड़े पास.
कभी आपने डिजिटल डिटॉक्स फास्टिंग ऐसे ट्राई किया है? नॉट फॉर 6 months बट 1-2 दिन के लिए, दैट हमें लगता है कभी कभी ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया है तो करना पड़ेगा. ट्राई किया
कहीं जब नेटवर्क नहीं होता तो करना ही पड़ता है. एंड देन आई डोंट मिस इट एंड देन दैट्स अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज नहीं तो आप अगर वही सोच रहे हो नॉन स्टॉप, अरे नेटवर्क कब आएगा, नेटवर्क, देन यू ruin your day, you ruin your mood and with the people around you.
Right.
So the good thing is to let go अगर नहीं है. So वो वाला मैंने किया हुआ है. But Sundays our family we all try to practice that to keep our phones away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kunal, same.
Yeah, well, yesterday itself I was out somewhere and for the whole day I was doing one course somewhere and we were out कहीं a little bit further away from the city और वहाँ पे बिल्कुल ही रिसेप्शन नहीं थी. तो बट आई कंप्लीटली फॉरगॉट अबाउट माय फोन. द ब्यूटी वाज दैट आई वाज सो engrossed in what I was doing that I completely forgot कि once I realized कि यहाँ पे network नहीं है, मैं तो भूल ही गया कि I didn't check it, nothing. Then I knew कि भाई कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, and there was no reason, as she's saying, to be nervous about it. You know कि नहीं आ गया, what am I going to do? नहीं, just let it be. It's okay. Nothing so important is going on. You know, so that was nice. It was really nice. And once in a way, when this happens, you realize कि you can really immerse yourself in the experience you're having at that time.
At that time,
You know, why do you want to be at 40 places at the same time? We like कि मैंने इसको भी मैसेज भेजा, I saw this post, I liked it also, मैंने डॉक्टर को भी रिस्पॉन्स दिया, ये रिपोर्ट भी भेज दिया, काम भी हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, you know. But I don't need to do 40 things. I can sometimes just do one.
One thing,
Yeah.
Right.
And also I've seen at concerts, mostly people are just recording. They're not
Yeah.
seeing it with their own eyes,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. And they're trying to get the best shot
best
possible.
shots. I was
For
like, अरे you're
Instagram.
missing out on that moment, you know. तो वो
Yeah.
सब
People are focusing कि आगे जाके हम ये वापस relive
हाँ,
करेंगे, but
ये
तुम तब नहीं
तब
कर
नहीं
रहे
enjoy
relive
कर रहे हो।
राइट
Yeah.
राइट यू नो हम सब कहते हैं कि 80s और 70s का जैसे सीरीज में भी है कि वो टाइम बेस्ट था, लेकिन कभी कभी लगता है कि बेस्ट तो था बट फिर भी आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी ने इजी कर दिया है बहुत सारा काम, तो वो एक बैलेंस इम्पोर्टेंट है। हम मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी भी इस्तेमाल करें लेकिन वो टाइम भी निकालना जरूरी है। तो क्या लगता है आपको?
See, we can always look back at these times with nostalgia, but every generation will look back with nostalgia. I'm saying 10 years from now, we'll all be looking back at this saying, remember when we had those phones, physical phones, and we didn't have it in our brain? It was so much nicer. So,
I
so I'm
agree.
saying it's
That's
always
happening.
it's always going to be generation to generation. You know? So some things you can't turn back time. And we're always going to be nostalgic about our childhood, about our growing up years, about an earlier time. But I think कि in थोड़े दूर थोड़े पास we're trying to say कि we're not fighting it. We're saying कि how do we handle it? How do we deal with it?
Right.
So yeah, I think that's what is important in a show like this, is to just tell everyone कि use it. It's not evil. It's good. You know, you can talk to people around the world. You can do whatever you want to do, but learn to control it. Yeah.
Right. Some you would like something?
Same, yeah. It's the same thing. It's about balance. It's about understanding when to stop it.
Right.
It's to set your priorities. You know what really matters around you or in your hand. So it's all about that, and that's what the show also reflects. You know, कि सोचो थोड़ा क्या कर रहे हो. What are you running after?
Yeah.
You know.
Living in present.
Yeah, just live
Yeah.
in the present moment. Be available to the people who love you. You know, be present. So
Right.
वही है जिंदगी.
कुणाल, आपका कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में, आप एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर है या
जी.
न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट है,
जी.
और मतलब उसके अराउंड आपका मतलब कैरेक्टर है, तो इन रियल लाइफ आप कितना बिलीव करते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी में?
I'm not a big believer. I don't know whether my belief is important. I don't consume myself wondering whether it's real or not. It might be, it might not be, but I will never know one way or the other.
Because you don't do
because
that.
So it's better that I just focus on what I'm doing and let every day be a surprise to me. Let every year be, something that I'm not prepared for. And I don't have the desire to know how things are going to be. I just have the desire to just be.
Just be.
Yeah.
And that's the best thing to do, yeah. Really.
Yeah.
Because I read horoscope. And my sister calls it horoscope.
Horoscope.
Horoscope पढ़ लिया? I'm like, हाँ पढ़ लिया. It's just a habit. It's just a habit, you know.
No, even I used to read midday में.
हाँ, मैं अभी भी
this thing
पढ़ती हूँ.
at the back there would be this thing.
Do you
I
believe कि
still
उसमें
do.
लिखा है कि आज आपका दिन अच्छा जाएगा तो अच्छा ही जाएगा?
But you know, to believe that it is going to be like that for 1 out of every 12 people
Yeah,
is going to be the
it's
same.
a
It's a little bit.
yeah.
See, but I think you have to take all of this with it's a little generic. You know,
Yeah.
that's why they keep it a little open.
Open,
कि it could be a generic thing for this.
Right.
But I don't know. I like sometimes I'm happy to read it because it says travel is in your future, or you know, there's something. But it'll say random things also about some relationship hassles or I don't like. Whatever. It's just nice. It's entertaining to then correlate that to what you feel like you can correlate it to.
Right. मोना, आपका कैरेक्टर है कि आप फैशन डिजाइनर है, आपका बुटीक है, तो उसमें एक सीन है जहाँ पे आप अपनी बेटी को बोलती है कि ये क्या पहना है तुमने, दिस इज सो 2010 कोडेड। तो रियल लाइफ में आप कितना फैशन और ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो करती है?
मैं ज्यादा फॉलो नहीं करती. You see whatever looks good on me and whatever I feel comfortable in. comfortably to sit around, walk around and be myself, I go for that. For me, fashion is comfort.
Okay.
Really.
और
But
जैसे
also to look good. Yeah.
नहीं मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ ऐसा किसी ने ट्रेंड चल रहा है, यू आर लाइक यू नो दिस आई वांट टू बाय दैट ड्रेस, या फिर ऐसा ट्रेंड मुझे भी ट्राई करना है, ऐसा कभी लगता है?
नहीं, ये ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. I like to see कि फैशन में क्या क्या नया है, which is a trending color. Color is a must for me. Like
Okay.
I suddenly have this huge liking for blues and whites and purples. So I love lavenders and purples. अब मेरी सारी wardrobe वो हो चुकी है.
Yeah, even today.
Now next season it will change. Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah.
एंड पंकज कपूर सर के साथ आपने काम किया है, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था उनके साथ काम करने का?
अरे वो तो लेजेंडरी एक्टर हैं, मतलब
तो है.
कमाल के एक्टर हैं, कमाल के ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं, तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. एंड जब हम शो भी कर रहे थे तो उनके साथ रिहर्सल्स करने में बड़े मजे आते थे. ही इज वन गाय हु विल नेवर फॉरगेट अ सिंगल डायलॉग आल्सो बीच का. तो ही कीप्स यू ऑन हिज टोज, यू नो, ऑन योर टोज. आप वो पंकज सर आ गए हैं, आई बेटर रिमेंबर माय डायलॉग्स एंड आई बेटर नॉट मेस अप द सीन, यू नो. सो यू डेफिनेटली फील दैट प्रेशर, बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक ही इज अ gem of a person.
Yeah. Also, he comes from a school जहाँ पे वो film पे shoot करते थे. You know, they're actually shooting on film, so not messing up a take is very important.
Very important.
So that rigor, you know, and to have that confidence कि I'm coming well prepared, I'm not going to be wasting film stock.
Yeah.
And that same thing now तो digital पे आप 25 take ले लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, time पे फर्क पड़ेगा, but not to, you know, not monetarily losing on film
Right.
stock. But he's coming from the perspective that I know what I'm doing. If there's anything anyone's messing up, it's going to be someone
Their
else's
fault, not
my fault.
Yeah.
So you have to also be, you know, well prepared and this thing. But he's very open to working a scene in rehearsal, coming with ideas, being open about how we're going to block a scene. So yeah, wonderful to work with him.
वो ना आपने जैसी, मैं आपसे लास्ट टाइम मिली थी, मेरे बैंग्स थे जैसी जैसी.
अच्छा. Okay.
तो जैसी से बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड, व्हाट अ फन शो. आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा है? आपको क्या लगता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑडियंस, क्या चेंज हुआ है ओवर दीज इयर्स?
I have done TV, I've done theatre, I've done hosting, I've done movies, now I'm doing OTT. तो मेरे लिए तो constant, you know, वो है, constant change रहा है, which has been very challenging and very good and satisfying. Because every time, you know, I've learned a new skill, I've learned something new and let go of some old pattern. तो मेरे लिए it's been quite a journey. Yeah. From Jassi to Bads of Bollywood, I never imagined कि इतना कुछ कर लूँगी मैं, you know. So I don't know how it all happened, but I think it happened because of great timing, great choices, and saying no to the projects which did not resonate with me, you know. So not compromising on all that. वही रहा है मेरी journey.
राइट. कुणाल, आपने YGHT में कैरेक्टर किया था तरुण, बट आपका जो रोल है तरुण, आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे देखता है कि नॉट बनी नॉट अवी, बट तरुण इज द ग्रीन फ्लैग ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. लाइक एवरी गर्ल वांट्स टू सेटल अप विद तरुण. क्या रिएक्शन है आपका?
That's the result of the writing, I think. People focus on the wrong things, you know, like in this show, like in Thode Dur Thode Paas, people's focus is on self-image, on you know, like whether it's social media or whether it is you know, you get stuck in your preconceived notions of what the ideal guy is. But when you step out of that and you say that, you know, sometimes the ideal guy might not look like the ideal guy, but it's someone who sees you for who you are rather than what you see that person as, you know. So that is and getting that acceptance from another person, whether they're, you know, however they may be, but it's about acceptance of me rather than me accepting you, which is also important, but also, you know, like without asking me to change that much. So that shift of perspective, and that's what people, I think, have resonated with, is that sometimes you know, to be valued is more important.
Right. So I have a small game for you guys.
Okay.
It's called tap or thrash. So
Okay.
I'll give you situations. If you have done that, you'll say tap. If not, you'll say thrash.
Thrash. Okay.
Trash. Okay.
So
Trash.
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 yes. Posting stories every time you go out.
Trash.
And what is the other one?
This-
Not every time, but yeah, on vacations, yes.
Okay, not every day, like daily.
No,
stories.
no, not every day. So trash, yeah.
Okay. Tracking every post, likes, comments.
Tap. If it's a work post, I will chase it. Yeah.
Yeah, even if I've posted, then I'll see the comments.
Yeah.
So tap,
Checking your phone the second you wake up.
Trash.
tap,
Having separate Insta for close friends.
trash,
Taking 20 retakes of one selfie.
Tap.
trash.
You don't take selfies?
Not much.
Okay. Searching a person on social media before meeting them.
Before meeting them, no. Trash.
After meeting them, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's after actually.
Yeah.
Seeing a meme and instantly sharing it to your friends, 5 friends.
Yeah. Tap. If it is interesting, of course. Yeah. Tap.
No, trash.
Clicking food pictures before eating.
Tap.
Tap.
Yeah.
Trash.
I send it to my sister because she loves to decorate it
yeah.
and all of that. Yeah.
The problem is when I go to take the picture, I've already finished eating it. So it's like I'm so engrossed in eating, and then like, oh shit, I should have taken a
So
picture. And then
there
I've
are two
just got,
types of people.
yeah, then I've just got the plate with little bit of remnants of what was there.
Okay. Using screen time app to track your phone hours.
No, trash.
Tap.
Keeping your phones away on dinner table.
Yeah. Tap.
Tap.
Muting your WhatsApp family groups.
No. Trash.
Trash.
Watching reels and series or movies till 3 a.m.
Trash.
Trash.
Checking your phone in between the shots.
Trash.
Trash.
Deleting a post if it doesn't perform well.
Trash.
No, trash. I like even the ones that don't perform. They're my posts.
Yeah, they're
I
my
have to owe
posts.
them.
Yeah, I don't
I
regret
own them.
posting them. Yeah, my choice. Yeah.
Okay. Keeping phone on airplane mode every 3 hours a day, like kind of detox in a day.
No, yeah. Trash.
Trash.
Damn.
Can live without a phone for a week.
Trash.
Tap.
Really?
I
Can
can
you?
do it. I
Wow.
can
A full
do it.
week?
A full week. But there's money at the end of it, or there's no money?
There's no money
no,
for
then I can't.
self-detox.
Trash. I thought there's some incentive.
No,
Yeah.
no incentive. Yeah, without incentive is not possible.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was
Thank
great
you.
talking
Thank
to you
you.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Please tell the audience when and where can we watch the show.
Yeah. Guys, please watch our show Thode Dur Thode Paas on Z5 on the 7th of November.
Thode Dur, Thode Paas coming soon on 7th November only on Z5. Dekhna mat bhulna.